It may not mean nothing to y'all. Just understand calc is just simple for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. We're passing this AP exam. It may not be easy to y'all. Just understand calc is just simple for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. We're passing this AP exam.
Hey. The integral from A to B of A of x dx. Use this formula with me and you will ace your test. It's how you find the volume using geometric cross-sections like rectangles and circles too. You'll be flying like the Jetsons. Now back to business, silly schmangle. Gotta know the basics, like area formulas for rectangles. Unless you got eye surgery from LASIK, but I don't got no laser. I so need to remember that the area of a semicircle size is 1/2 pi r squared in December. Rectangles are length times width. Squares are just side squared. And equilateral triangles are the square root of 3/4 side squared. So now you know these little things. Just plug them in and add the x. As long as you get your limits right when it comes to calculus, you the best.
It may not mean nothing to y'all. Just understand calc is just simple for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. We're passing this AP exam. It may not be easy to y'all. Just understand calc is just simple for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. We're passing this AP exam.
Yo, the best thing to do is calculus. It's fun, it's cool, it's just the best. Integrals are where it's at. If you don't do anything, then you'll just get fat. Don't blow your nerves. Find an area between the curve. It's pretty easy if you're not acting all sleazy. Yeah, the area might be bounded by an axis, but don't you cry. It's easier than Texas. Don't forget to integrate within limits. If you don't, man, you're just acting limits. Get the top equation minus the bottom equation. This is calculus, not some social occasion. Put the dx, or it's off with your head. You need the thickness, man. Is your name Ted? If you're all confused and you got a question, just call us up and we'll teach you a lesson. Please don't be like Eric and ask a million. Just ask one and get the not some
It may not mean nothing to y'all. Just understand calc is just simple for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. We're passing this AP exam. It may not be easy to y'all. Just understand calc is just simple for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. We're passing this AP exam.
Big Rx squared, subtract small Rx squared. This be between the integral from A to B. If you forget the dx, you best be scared. And if you forget the perpendicular rectangle, you will be B. Big Rx is largest distance. Small Rx is smallest. And if you don't square them separately, expect some resistance. Yeah, boys, I'd be lawless. If it's a y equals equation, revolve around the x-axis. If you don't solve for y, I'ma kill you in sense of faxes. If it's the y-axis, solve for x. I'm out. Now that's the washer method. Yeah, I said that right. It's kinda similar to the shell method, but not really. Cause pi rx squared.
It may not mean nothing to y'all. Just understand calc is just simple for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. We're passing this AP exam. It may not be easy to y'all. Just understand calc is just simple for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. We're passing this AP exam.
Yo, I do calculus day 24/7, and I'll continue to do it until I descend onto heaven. It's part of my life. just like food and water. I love it so much, to me it is like a daughter. One of the most important topics is the method of shells, which if you do not learn, then surely you'll burn in hell. You need to be able to revolve a solid round and necklace, then find the volume. But don't worry, sit back, relax us, man, you got to know how to integrate, which I hate almost as much as this kid Nate. And at the end of the integral, don't forget dx. It represents the thickness like my biceps when I flex. And in the beginning, man, you got to have 2 pi, or Mr. G will cry, and on the test you will die. Although most may never use a calc again in their life, you may try it out if you want to integrate your wife. You'll make calcs important, contrary to popular belief. When you need to find the volume in the future, this'll bring you relief.
It may not mean nothing to y'all. Just understand calc is just simple for me. So I don't plan on stopping at all. We're passing this AP exam. It may not be easy to y'all. Just understand calc is just simple for me. So I don't plan on stopping at all. We're passing this AP exam.